In a bustling city where the constant hum of traffic and the blaring of car horns create a never-ending noise pollution, people rush through their daily routines, stressed by the cacophony around them. Amidst this urban chaos, a new solution quietly emerges. Modern micromobility options like electric scooters and bikes glide smoothly through the streets, offering a harmonic sound, performance, and efficient alternative to traditional transportation. As more individuals adopt these eco-friendly modes of travel, the city's noise begins to fade. The once overwhelming din is replaced by a peaceful hum, and the city breathes a collective sigh of relief, embracing a quieter, greener future. To ensure the safety of everyone sharing the urban space, it is essential to equip all e-fleets with AVAS acoustic vehicle alerting systems. This makes e-scooters visible and noticeable to pedestrians and other drivers, promoting a safer environment for all.